Hey, this is Nate, and these are some of the repairs after the storm damage. So this is just a new look at the basement of Stately Skaggs Manor. That's the laundry room actually, but just got everything painted despite the bad efforts of a horrible painter. But this is what the basement looks like now since last time some of you have seen it. Give you a better look. So floors recently painted and everything. And now for the upstairs. Now the only thing you're really going to notice inside is just the basement being painted. And master bedroom. But it's outside, you'll notice they had to cut quite a guest bedroom, cut quite a few of the trees because of the storm, which nearly ruined quite a bit of it actually. But it's gonna get a lot hotter because I got a lot less shade now. Okay, living room and kitchen. And this is the walkout porch again. But I'll give you a better look at the outside of the house here in just a moment. So this is where you'll see the difference, you know, with that tree for the most, it's dead, but a lot of it's gone. There's my door hood, but I got a new roof out of it, and we'll have to replace the wiring for that too. Actually, I see they just cut the wiring completely off. Probably got to replace it, but there used to be a tree there, as you can see. That's a horrible painter painted the lawn white. Stairwell to the basement, and you'll see some missing trees or limbs in the front too, because they had to cut that quite a bit because they were getting kind of close to the wires. But otherwise, the front of the house wasn't really damaged. But you can see I got had a completely new roof here. And the garage didn't get damaged. Maybe a little corner of one of the gutters got damaged, and now it's back in where we started. So the garage is unchanged, no changes to the garage. Anyway, so that's it. So it's still, for the most part, still the same. But I said I'm gonna have a lot less shade, or I'm gonna have to do something about air conditioner and planting some shade trees. All right. So that's it. Thank you very much. And bye.